Guys, Papa Tutor here, and today we'll be answering problems about arcs and chords theorem of a circle. Now let's start with the first problem. So for the first problem we have here, if AB is equal to 5x and CD is equal to 3x plus 6, find AB and CD. Now let us look at the figure here, and this is AB, and according to the problem, this is 5x, and this is chord CD, and this is 3x plus 6. Now, how do we solve or find A, B, and CD? We need to find first the value of x. Now, how do we find the value of x? Let's try to analyze the figure. As you can see here, we have arc AB 127 degrees and also arc CD 127 degrees. So basically, they are equal. There is one theorem in arcs and chords of a circle that states in a circle, two minor arcs are congruent if and only if the corresponding chords are congruent. Meaning to say, these two minor arcs are congruent, meaning to say their corresponding chords are also congruent. So we can say that 5x is equal to 3x plus 6. Let's try to combine similar terms. 5x minus 3x is equal to 6. So that would be 2x is equal to 6. Divide both sides by 2. Cancel out. X now is equal to 3. But this is not yet the final answer. We need to find the value of AB and CD. We already have our x. We all know that AB is equal to 5x. So that would be 5 multiplied by 3. Just need to substitute. And the answer is 15 units. And for CD, that would be 3x plus 6. So that would be 3 multiplied by 3 plus 6. And that is also 15 units because they are congruent. So therefore, AB is equal to 15 and CD is equal to 15 units as well. Next problem here is we also need to find the value of x. Now let us look at the diagram. As you can see here, we have an inscribed quadrilateral here, and all of the sides of the quadrilateral are the chords of this circle. So we have here 50 degree for this arc. We have 80 degrees for this arc. We have 150 degrees for this arc. And we have 80 degrees for this arc. Now, what have you noticed with the minor arcs here? As you can see, this 80 degrees and this one, they are congruent or equal. Meaning to say, these two arcs are congruent. That being said, if we apply the theorem about arcs and chords, that in a circle, two minor arcs are congruent if and only if their corresponding chords are congruent, we can say that this chord here and here are also congruent. So that would be 12x minus 2, that is this chord, is equal to 34. Okay? Then after that, we combine similar terms. 12x is equal to 34 plus 2. So we have 12x is equal to 36. Divide both sides by 12. And the answer here, or x, is equal to 3. Now this is the correct answer. Next problem here we have in circle A, segment FG is equal to 3x minus 4 and HJ is equal to 14. Find the value of x. So we need to find the value of x. Now let's try to analyze the figure here. So this is the circle A, as you can see. So we have two chords here, FG and HJ. So we all know that FG is 3x minus 4. And we all know that HJ is equal to 14. And as you can see here, we have a measurement for segment LA and segment AP. Both of them, they have 2 units, meaning to say they are equidistant or having the same distance from the center. And we can apply the third theorem about arcs and chords, that in a circle, two chords are congruent if and only if they are equidistant from the center. And as you can see, we can see that they are equidistant because they're having the same distance here, 2 and 2. So therefore, segment FG or chord FG is congruent with chord HJ. Now we can say that these two are equal. So after that, we just need to equate this one. 3x is equal to 14 plus 4. 3x is equal to 18. Divide both sides by 3. Cancel out. X now is equal to 6. Now that is the value of x.